The last 7 days have been filled with incredible revelations that challenge everything we know about our universe and our place in it. Are we alone? Kepler data seems to reveal there could be at least one planet outside of our solar system that could support life. On October 28, 2021, NASA released new findings from the now-retired Kepler Space Telescope. According to the report, there could be as many as 40 billion Earth-like planets out there orbiting in the habitable zone of their star. The researchers used data from the Kepler Space Telescope's planet and star catalog to make their estimate. They found that 50% of Sun-like stars could have a planet similar to Earth. But what does this mean exactly? This significantly increases the number of potentially habitable worlds and dramatically raises the stakes in the search for life elsewhere in the universe. So while this is quite exciting, it doesn't exactly change anything. However, when combined with other discoveries, the picture it paints becomes more clear. October was also the month that an interstellar object passed close enough to the Earth for scientists to learn a great deal about its composition. It was only the second time such an interstellar object had ever been spotted. Scientists believe the object could be a hydrogen-rich comet, or perhaps debris from an exoplanet's atmosphere. Oumuamua was first sighted back in October of 2017, and since then, astronomers around the world have been eager to learn more about the strange object. Most recently, scientists used powerful radio telescopes across the globe to study the interstellar visitor. It was during this research when they made the astonishing discovery that the object appears to be rich in hydrogen. Researchers have previously suggested that Oumuamua may have once been part of a larger object that disintegrated before entering our solar system. But if this were true, scientists should have seen evidence of the comet disintegration in the form of dust clouds. No such clouds were found, which ruled out this comet disintegration theory. But now, thanks to this latest round of observations, we know that the object isn't just a random chunk of space rock. It's actually a piece of something bigger. Scientists were able to determine the object's approximate size and shape by measuring how fast it moved as it flew past Earth. But the comet composition remained a mystery until now. Thanks to this latest discovery, astronomers can say with some certainty that Oumuamua is at least 10 times larger than a typical comet. Comets are known for their distinctive shape, which makes this latest discovery even more intriguing. What could this interstellar object possibly be? Could it be evidence of alien technology, or maybe even an alien spacecraft? Some scientists believe that Oumuamua could be a piece of an alien's colony that broke off and drifted into interstellar space. And now here it is passing through our solar system on a little tour of its own. Is it possible that aliens exist out there and that they've somehow managed to colonize other worlds? If so, what would that mean for us humans? Would we be alone in the universe? Or are there other intelligent species out there just waiting to be discovered? While the science community continues to debate the origins of Oumuamua, it seems that many people believe it could be something more than just a comet. In fact, a recent survey found that almost half of all Americans believe that there are aliens out there. Could we really be on the verge of discovering aliens? What would that mean for humanity? And what are the implications for our understanding of the universe? Scientists have long suspected that there could be planets out there similar to Earth where life could exist. But until recently, we haven't had any concrete evidence to prove it. That all changed on November 3rd, when NASA announced the discovery of a new exoplanet that could support life. The exoplanet, which has been designated WASP-39b, is located in the habitable zone of its star. This means that temperatures on the planet could be just right for liquid water to exist. Liquid water and the right temperature range are two of the key ingredients for life as we know it. And planet WASP-39b seems to have both. But that's not all. Scientists also believe that the planet could have a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field. These conditions would protect any life on the planet from harmful radiation from its star. WASP-39b is located about 700 light-years away in the constellation of August. It's about twice the size of Earth and has a mass that's 8 times greater. The planet orbits its star every 11 days. With current technology, it would take over 1,000 years to travel to WASP-39b. Even with our most advanced spacecraft, it would still take many lifetimes to reach this potentially habitable world. Despite the distance, scientists are excited about the discovery of WASP-39b. It's one of the few exoplanets that we know of that could support life. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be able to visit WASP 39b and C for ourselves if there is life there. All of this new information has led to speculation that NASA is covering up the truth about aliens. Some people believe that the government is hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life from the public. This conspiracy theory has been around for decades, but it has recently gained new traction thanks to the release of several videos that appear to show UFOs. The videos were reportedly taken by Navy pilots and show objects that defy conventional explanation. While NASA hasn't commented on the videos, some people believe that they are evidence of a government cover-up. The truth is, we simply don't know what these alien comets are. There are many things in our universe that we don't understand, but that doesn't mean that they're extraterrestrial in origin. While it's fun to speculate about aliens, it's important to be rational and critical of the information we see. Just because something looks strange or unusual doesn't mean that it's evidence of extraterrestrial life. In the end, we simply don't know whether or not aliens exist. But that shouldn't stop us from exploring the universe and searching for answers. With all of this talk of aliens and UFOs, it's no surprise that people are wondering when disclosure will come. Disclosure, in this case, refers to the release of information by the government about extraterrestrial life. Some people believe that the government is already aware of the existence of aliens and that it's only a matter of time before the truth is revealed. Others believe that we're not alone in the universe, but that the government is actively hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life. The truth is, we simply don't know what the government is hiding. But that doesn't mean that we should stop searching for answers. If the government is covering up the existence of aliens, then we have a right to know the truth. It's our right as citizens to be informed about what's going on in the world around us. Don't forget to subscribe so I can keep you informed. If we're not alone in the universe, then there could be other civilizations out there that have advanced technology that we can't even imagine. Of course, disclosure could also be dangerous. If the government is covering up the existence of aliens for a reason, then releasing this information could have unforeseen consequences. It's possible that the government is keeping the existence of aliens a secret to protect us from harm. Let me know what you think about this, and the topic of disclosure in general. As for when disclosure will happen, there is no certain answer. However, some believe that it will happen in 2025. This belief is based on a number of factors, including the increasing amount of evidence for extraterrestrial life and the fact that many governments are now taking UFOs seriously. Moreover, with the James Webb Space Telescope, we're sure to get even more evidence for life elsewhere in the universe. It's only a matter of time before we make contact with an extraterrestrial species. And when we do, it will change our world forever. Are you excited for disclosure? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on aliens and UFOs. With all of this new information coming to light, it's clear that we're on the verge of a major breakthrough in our understanding of the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we may find that we're not alone in the universe. What do you think about these recent discoveries? Do you believe that there are aliens out there? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.